Hello, my friend. Do you want to understand English better? Do you wish people spoke a little slower? You're in the right place today. Welcome to English Flow Podcast. I'm John, your English coach and friend. Today, we'll practice slow and clear English. Relax, breathe, and let's learn step by step. First, just listen carefully. No need to repeat yet. I'll speak slowly and clearly. Hello, how are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. Did you hear the pauses? That's what slow English sounds like. Listen again and feel the rhythm. Now, repeat after me. Hello, how are you today? Good job. I'm doing great, thank you. Perfect. Now, we'll use the shadowing method. It means speaking together with me. It improves your listening and pronunciation. Let's try one short dialogue. What do you do every morning? I drink tea and read the news. Listen once. Now, shadow with me slowly. What do you do every morning? I drink tea and read the news. Excellent. Remember, shadowing trains your ear and mouth together. Let's break it into small parts. Repeat each phrase carefully with me. What do you do? Every morning, I drink tea and read the news. Now, combine them slowly. What do you do every morning? I drink tea and read the news. Wonderful! That's how you build natural rhythm. Remember, understanding English takes time. Don't rush your progress. Listen to short clips daily. Repeat new words 5 times. Focus on sound, not spelling. Your brain learns through sound first. Let's practice listening to natural rhythm again. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go for a short walk. Listen carefully. Now, repeat with me slowly. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go for a short walk. Very nice. Let's train your ears now. Some words sound similar in English. For example, ship and sheep. Listen closely. The ship is big. The sheep is white. Can you hear the difference? Let's repeat together slowly. The ship is big. The sheep is white. Good. Your ears are getting stronger already. Here's your simple daily routine. Listen 10 minutes every morning. Repeat what you hear 3 times. Record your voice once a week. Compare it with the teacher's audio. You'll notice great improvement soon. Remember, English learning is a journey. Stay calm, stay consistent, and stay curious. You did a wonderful job today. You listened carefully, spoke clearly, and practiced confidently. Keep using English Flow Podcast daily. We'll guide you step by step.
If you enjoyed this session, like, subscribe, and comment your progress below. Your practice inspires others too. I'm John, and this was English Flow Podcast. See you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep flowing in English. Goodbye, my friend.